welcome back. Appreciate you being here. Figured I'd give an update to anyone that's interested. The the center aisle that we had here is gone. Took that out yesterday. That was quite a feat. That was super heavy, since everything was glued together, and it had to come out in 3 pieces, which was the top and the 2 sides. And so I did the best I could sliding them out using a dolly and then flipping them end over end off the deck. So they made it. I'll probably do another video of every woman's dream kitchen. I know every time I say that, Monica, I fear she's gonna hit me with a pan. So in between this mess, she had run the Pathfinder into Nissan to have them take a look, and they told her that the brakes were in pretty bad shape. So what I did was took a brake from this mess, this dumpster fire that we now refer to as cheaper than rent. I've been saying that for a little while. She liked it so much that she then started calling this cheaper than rent. As you can tell, I don't know if I may have shown this, but I may not. I took the ceiling out in here. I know the lighting's terrible, but well, bear with me. It's being done on a Samsung Galaxy 5. So, once I can get to the store, I'm going to get myself some PVC, some Schedule 40, and run that up into the ceiling because they had it. The vent here is about, I don't know, 18 inches, 18, 20 inches from where it should be. And they just had it on above a false ceiling in this room. So I'm going to finish out that section, drywall over that, and still haven't decided. I may put a 6-foot shower in here, take that out, and actually maybe just even move that up and use that. That's where the sink was, and then put a sink over here, a small sink, and then just have a walk-in shower, and then have it all tiled, have it like a complete tile job. I'll do that later. Getting back to the job at hand. So the guys at Nissan told her that the brakes were in bad shape, and well, they kind of were. So just, I don't know, I needed a break from pretty much destroying the house. And well, the house was already a dumpster fire, as you know. If you've been watching any of my videos, you'll see that it's been a dream. It's a dream, yes. It's what everybody wants, a house that they can make in whatever fashion they want. Not really. But hey, we're just happy to have this place. Like I said, it's cheaper than rent. Around here, it definitely is cheaper than rent. The mortgage is, it's almost ridiculous compared to what a townhome or anything would cost around these sections, around these parts. So I got bored. It's amazing. I don't even have to go out of the house. I just have it delivered. I got some Akabono brakes that I ordered. One online. One of the guys online, I watched Scotty Kilmer. He does car stuff and recommended these. They look super. I mean, they're OEM. I mean, they even say on here advanced OEM. I was putting them in. They're a dream compared to other brakes I've put in the past. I mean, they went in super nice. It's just even the pin. I mean, everything. Just the clips fit I don't know if anybody's ever done this work, but sometimes the stuff doesn't fit the way they say. So pop the calipers off, and the old ones, man, they were pretty rough. They were pretty worn. I mean, there was still maybe, I'd say probably 1,000 miles left on this, but I figured there was nothing else to do, so I figured I'd do it. Well, y'all have a great day. Stay safe during this time. Just pray. Other than that, you be well, and I'll talk to you later.